Hello everyone and welcome to Meme TV. Today the spotlight is on innovation in precision manufacturing. We're joined by David Dunn, a UK accounts manager of Tornos. Welcome David.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Nice to meet you too. Right, so the first question. Tornos is a specialist in manufacturing and machine design who produces parts that require precision and quality. The company focus over the years has changed. So first it was on sliding headstock technology, multi-spindle, and not long ago production of VMC machines and bar machine milling. So can you tell us more about this? How did that evolve?
Yeah, sure. I mean, Tornos as a company have been around since the mid to late 19th century. So the first sliding headstock machine, as we would recognise it, was built around 1880. We still have an example of that in our factory in Switzerland. So the sliding headstock machines were designed primarily for accurate, small, slender parts that you would see normally in a mechanical watch.
Right.
So that technology develops on and really then has been applied to other aspects of manufacturing and turn part production. With those machines, we developed various different technologies, gear cutting on the machines, polygon turning and so on. And then in the mid-20th century, 1960, 64, something like that, we developed our first multi-spindle machine.
Right.
So that was, again, a more cam-oriented multi-spindle machine. And both sliding headstock and multi-spindle products now are true CNC machines that we have in the market. And then more recently, as you mentioned, 2006, we started with production VMC machines and bar milling machines, so for small prismatic parts, production components, that type of thing in the milling field.
So with an increased automation and constant innovation within the industry, what are the current projects that Tornos is working at?
Okay, well, later this month we have the email exhibition over in Hanover, Germany. So there we will be showing development of existing products, giving additional benefits to customers, and also we'll be showing new machine platforms as well. So there's a lot of new technology coming through that is going to be of interest to the manufacturing industry.
So that's very interesting. Can you tell us what capabilities did you have to develop and grow over time in order to introduce those new parts and new machines into the company?
I think it's really looking at what the market demands and needs are really. So you're looking to see how you can improve processes, additional benefits you can give to customers with the machine capability, and that all steps on to new processes, new attachments, new technology, new developments in software and so on.
Okay, I think that introduces great to another question, where is as an industry specialist, can you tell us how is that future hold? What does the future hold for precision part manufacturing?
Well, I think what we see as a company and one of our focuses is really looking on adding benefits to the customer who's producing that kind of part. So it's looking at ways of overcoming problems that they're experiencing. Things like the shortage of skilled labour. If we look at the multi-Swiss product, that has been really designed to replace single spindle machines. So although we design and build single spindle machines, we're also looking to see where customers have production commitments that are put on them by their customers, or they have families of parts where they run on those parts on several single spindle machines. If you have a multi-spindle machine like the multi-Swiss, which has been designed with the single spindle setter in mind, it gives them benefits that the output is much faster, reduced floor space, reduced number of people and so on. So it's looking at those kinds of things.
Right. I mean, you're introducing greatly Industry 4.0 idea. So, what does the future hold for in this regard? What is the innovation, and how will you accommodate the needs of industry in terms of Industry 4.0?
For us, we launched our programming and monitoring software back in 2012, 2013. And that's steadily been developed over the coming or the recent years. And with that software, we can program the machine, we can optimize the program on the PC rather than at the machine. We can also look at the machine uptime. So when the machine is in production, we can monitor that remotely. So you can do that via a network in the factory,
Right.
VPN externally, or you can also look at it on a smartphone or a tablet. So you can see exactly what the machines are doing, where your production is, average cycle times, and so on. So it gives you a lot more information. And for us as a company, that's where we see Industry 4, that it's the availability of information and access to that information to ensure the efficiency and the production output of the machines in the long run. So
that's it. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for joining us today and for answering all those questions. Nice to meet you too. It was very interesting, and we will look out for future innovations and improvements from Tornos. Thank you very much for watching today. Follow us on Made in the Midlands and Made in the Midlands TV on YouTube. Subscribe for fresh content. Thank you and goodbye.